Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to be factory resetting your iPhone. So it doesn't really matter which one it is. We're going to wipe it clean. So that means no Apple ID, no information in it at all. It's going to be back to how it was when it was brand new. Anyways, it doesn't really matter which one you've got. It's going to be the exact same instructions for all of them once again. Anyways, what we have to do is go right into our settings. Inside our settings, we're going to scroll down. You're going to see General. Under General, scroll all the way down. You're going to see Transfer and Reset iPhone. We're going to do this fast, by the way. And again, we're doing this to factory restore it, which means erase all content in settings. That means your Apple ID, everything's going to be gone. Right here, it's going to tell you, erase this iPhone. We're going to continue on. We need to put in the passcode if your iPhone has a passcode. And once you put that in, just press on erase iPhone. You're going to see an Apple logo. And everything's just going to do it really quick. So again, it's getting rid of everything. So technically, you won't see any pictures anymore, any videos, phone numbers, nothing. If you're selling your iPhone, that's why you're doing this. Don't forget to take out your SIM card. So that's from here. Just take it out. You don't have to take it out before you do this factory reset. You could, or you could take it out later on. Does not make any difference whatsoever. However, that's your SIM card, so keep it because that's with your phone number. At this point, we're just going to see an Apple logo. We just have to wait for it. After a little bit, you should see an Apple logo, a loading bar once again. And just after a minute or so, you're going to see this. Hello and all that stuff. And that's where you go on and set this iPhone up again. So you can scroll up to set it up. You can use the same Apple ID or you can use a new one. Does not matter. Or if you're selling this, just turn it off so the new person can set it up. Or if you really want the other person to just test it without setting it up, you could set it up without having to import any of your personal information. You don't have to put in an Apple ID. You don't even have to set up a password for it. But anyways, if you guys want to check out that video, I do have a video how to set this up without any passwords or anything. So make sure to check that out. But basically, you just skip over all that stuff. But at this point, we have to shut it down. And to shut it down, we can just press the power and then press this volume key. So the top volume key, power, and you can force shut this down. Then all we have to do is just swipe and it's fully turned off. So there you go. And that would be it for this video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.